Thank you for coming back for another video. Hope you've been watching all the videos I've been uploading. It's been a little bit of a video upload overkill, but I've had a lot of videos I've set on for a long time that I just never really focused on my YouTube channel, and now I am. So anyway, today, I guess you can see by the title, there was a few little things on my GTR that need to be worked out after I got it back, but nothing bad. But there was a few things, like I was washing the car one day and noticed that the fender well liner was missing a lot of clips, and it was just kind of, it was moving a little bit. So I fixed that myself, no big deal. And then I had went to clean my intakes one day. Well, I went to put the ETS stencil on my front mount, and while I was in there I decided to clean my intakes. Glad I did, because I found both intakes that like came off of the couplers, or came out of the couplers that connects it to the turbo inlet, and it was just kind of hanging out. So again, nothing bad, it just was sucking in unfiltered air. Not sure how long it was like that for. It clearly could have just happened, but anyway. And then my AOS line, when my AOS line wasn't fully tightened down, you could just slide it off and on. Anyway, like I said, very minimal things, not that big of a deal. So I reached out to the salesperson I was dealing with at CCO Perform. He informed their GM, the owner, the tech that worked on the car, all that stuff. And the GM actually reached out to me and said, bring it in as soon as your schedule allows. Not their schedule, but my schedule. He said, as soon as you can do it, bring it to us and we will immediately put it on a lift. Whatever we're doing, we will stop, put it on a lift, and get the car in full check over. Again, that's over just for some minor things. Minor things. In my opinion, they're minor. To the shop, as the owner of the shop, the GM and all that, to them it's a big deal. They don't want anybody to touch the car. And literally I have the email from the guy, and he was like, you know, this isn't what we want. When you get your car back from us, you shouldn't have to touch anything. So get it back to us as soon as you can, and we'll get immediately on it and give it a full check over. So great communication. I make the video to say this: CCO still does great stuff. Does not change my mind about them whatsoever. This is why it's so important that you choose a shop that warranties their work and stands behind their work. Not only do they warranty it, but they'll stand behind it. So something just as minimal as this, even one thing loose, they were just like unacceptable. So bring it into us ASAP, we'll get right to work on it. So I told them that on a Friday afternoon, about 10 minutes before they closed. I called them and told them, and it's now Monday morning and I'm on the way. So just that quick. So when you choose a shop, please choose a shop that stands by their work, such as CCO Performance does. Please, if you go to build a car, if there's something you got to do to your car that you cannot do yourself, only take it to a shop that offers a warranty and stands behind that. And I can tell you, CCO Performance up here in Alpharetta, Georgia, they stand behind it. 110%. They stand behind their warranty, they stand behind their work. So again, great things to say about them. Highly suggest you look into them. Even though I had some minor issues, this just strengthens my stand behind them on supporting their shop, because some shops will be like, no, you can fix that, I don't want to touch it, our job is done here. Well, it's a warranty, but your engine didn't blow up, so there's nothing for us to do. That's not the case with these guys. All right, 110%. I still back the shop. They are stand behind their work. So please, this semi just cut me off. Anyway, guys, sorry about that. Got to hear the car a little bit though. If the mic picked it up, I don't know. I'm shooting on the GoPro Hero 11 Creator Edition, whatever that thing is. Anyway, pick a shop that stands by their work, such as CCO Performance. Great communication. They stand behind you. We're on the way up there right now just for them to give it a check over. Great, fantastic. This is why you choose a good shop right here, because this right here. It's a great shop. CCO Performance, can't say enough about them. Great shop, great group of guys. Hit them up if you're looking to do anything at all to your GTRs, McLarens, Huracans, R8s, your C8 Corvettes. They work on all of those. So please look them up. And we'll make another video This one's at about 5.5 minutes now. I'll make another video, just like an update after I get it back from them. But until next time, guys, thanks for watching.